In today's video, I will walk you through how to choose a wallet in Uniswap. Choosing the right wallet is an important step because it's how you'll access your crypto, approve transactions, and interact with the Uniswap platform securely. Let's get started. In the upper right corner of the screen, click Connect Wallet. This will open a list of supported wallets that you can use with Uniswap. You'll now see several wallet options, such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, and other wallets that support Wallet Connect. If you already have one of these wallets installed or set up, simply select it from the list to begin the connection process. If you don't have a wallet yet, choose one that fits your preferred device. Some wallets are designed for desktop browser extensions, while others work best as mobile apps. Before choosing a wallet, think about how you'll be using Uniswap. If you trade mainly on a computer, a browser extension wallet like MetaMask can provide a smooth experience. If you prefer using your smartphone, a mobile wallet like Trust Wallet or Coinbase Wallet may be a better choice. Also, make sure the wallet supports the blockchain networks you plan to use, such as Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Base, or Optimism. Once you've chosen your wallet, click its name in the Connect Wallet menu and follow the prompts to approve the connection. After the connection is complete, your wallet address will appear in the top right corner of the Uniswap interface, indicating that you're ready to start swapping tokens and exploring the platform. And that's how to choose a wallet in Uniswap.